Welcome to the Pleiades Paradox channel. But before we dive into this incredible universe, I have a special invitation. Subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you won't miss any new videos. A particularly disturbing narrative involved the crew of the Russian Salyut space station. During a period of physical exercises to combat the effects of microgravity, cosmonauts Viktor Savinykh and Vladimir Kovalyonok encountered an unusual sight, a spherical object inhabited by three humanoid figures. This event took place between May 14th and 16th, 1981. Peering out the window, they came across an enigmatic object that defied understanding and the known laws of physics. With the aid of binoculars, Kovalyonok observed that the object was perfectly spherical and lacked the typical solar panels of space vehicles. For 24 hours, the object remained motionless, showing no signs of activity. However, the next day, the structure seemed closer, allowing clearer observation of the details, including 24 windows arranged on 3 levels. Inside, 3 occupants could be seen wearing tight suits and helmets reminiscent of hoods, leaving only part of their faces exposed. The faces had human features, with thick eyebrows, straight noses, and abnormally large blue eyes. Driven by curiosity, Kovalyonok requested permission to establish contact, but was instructed to limit himself to visual interactions. At one point, the UFO approached to a distance of approximately 30 meters from the station. The cosmonauts noted that although it moved quickly, the object did not appear to have a visible propulsion system. They attempted communication by positioning a celestial map at the window, a gesture that was mirrored by the occupants of the UFO. A thumbs-up signal from the cosmonauts was reciprocated by the mysterious visitors. In an attempt at communication, Kovalyonok used a flashlight to send messages in Morse code, first in Russian and then in English, but received no response. He then tried a mathematical signal and, to his surprise, received a luminous signal in return, which he interpreted as a Naperian logarithm, a concept he was familiar with from his research. At the climax of this encounter, the cosmonauts reported that the beings left the UFO and approached the capsule. They were tall, about 2 meters, and wore peculiar suits. There was a request to exit and interact directly, but permission was denied. Shortly after, the visitors returned to their vehicle and disappeared. After returning to Earth, the cosmonauts met with Soviet authorities on June 18, 1981, in a highly confidential meeting, with no records allowed. Rumors circulate that a video documenting the mission was viewed at the meeting and that this material is hidden somewhere secret in the Soviet archives. The government never officially commented on the incident involving Salyut 6, and both the video and the findings of the investigation remained hidden from the public. As for the veracity of these stories, they continue to be a mystery and a subject of speculation. And you, what do you think about these reports? Are they real or just a product of human imagination?